Good morning, everybody. Well, morning, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to your middle of the day market update. We're talking about the market, all right? We're talking about what's going on right now, later in the evening, which you can check out right here. I think when I'm uploading this video, it's in about 4.5 hours. We have the interest rate decision and we have the press conference afterwards, which is going to be even more important. So what that means is that right now, we're probably going to get some volatility. US session just opened. That's usually causing a lot of volatility as well. So that's what we're seeing right now, and that's what I'll be analyzing, and I'll just be talking about what I expect, what's possible, what altcoins to look at. Basically, I'm trying to prepare you as much as possible for the rest of the day. All right, that's what we're doing. So let's get right into it. So the big thing is that interest rate decision. The thing is that it's most likely just going to go to 5.5 again. So they're going to keep it the same. There's a slight chance they will cut the rates, which would be very bullish. Then I think we're heading into the 70,000s instantly. But I expect it to stay the same. And then it's all about the press conference. All right. And what's being said there. About September, will they cut the rates in September? The tone, you know, it's difficult, but that's what it'll be about. And in general, what that means is a lot of volatility. All right, and it also means that the price action before that happens is usually very volatile, and that's also what we see right now. I actually like if you look at the order flow right now, the bullish momentum we have here is actually more so short positions being closed than that it is long positions being opened. So I would still be careful, right? I think you always need to be careful kind of ahead of news like this. But having said that, the markets are bullish, all right? I mean, if we go to the 12-hour time frame, this is not bearish. And we are trying to break above some sort of a level right here at 67,000. If we're able to break above that in the next hour or three, then I do still expect bullish momentum, all right? Because we are in bullish market circumstances. I expect these market circumstances, based on the fundamentals, to continue to exist. So even though we have the interest rate decision, I see no reason to necessarily not trade because of that. So yeah, what I expect, like I said, I would be careful with Bitcoin. The main level to look at, and that's also the main level we're trying to break above right now, is 67,000. I would be very pragmatic about this, all right? So keep a tab on 67,000. If we're able to get a close above that, preferably on the 4-hour time frame, but I think the 1-hour time frame is good as well, then we're most likely going to be bullish until the press conference later tonight, and then we'll just have a lot of volatility. Like I said, there are certain news outcomes which could cause a pump or a dump. If they're saying that in September they will not cut rates, then we'll probably dump. So if you're not an experienced trader, I would just not trade, all right? I think that's better. But for now, even though I think technically we are consolidating, we're neutral, I'm a little bit more positioned to the upside, all right? Because right now, I am long on Bitcoin since down here. And with the Signal group, if you did not know, I have a Signal group in which I send my own trades. We also went long on Notcoin earlier this morning. I think, like, if we're talking about altcoins, so you already know what I think about Bitcoin and the market. If we're talking about altcoins, I think, well, first of all, you can see Notcoin is one of the best performers. Notcoin is very strong here, all right? And Ton, the network of Notcoin, is also trying to break out. If Notcoin continues here and it gets some sort of a breakout above 1.36 cents, I think it can absolutely rally, all right? So that's also why we bought, and that's why we're in profit here. But definitely one to keep your eyes on. Apart from that, there's multiple coins. Like, first of all, Solana, always keep an eye on that. If we break above 187, we're probably going up to 200. Aave is very strong here. We're at a key resistance level, so be careful. But this has been very bullish for the last week. So definitely interesting to keep an eye on. Then apart from that, Maker got, Maker is a little bit weak right now, but over the course of today, it was quite strong. And I do think that can continue if we continue to be bullish today, all right? Ethereum against Bitcoin also relatively strong, so that's good. Mu is very strong here, as you can see. So this is trying to break out. I posted about this on X as well, about a potential setup, so make sure to follow me there. But I think Mu is also a crypto that, it's gaining a lot of momentum here. If you can catch the pullback here into the levels we broke above, I think that's a good trade, assuming that Bitcoin stays bullish. And that's the tricky thing, right? I mean, I'm naming all these altcoins, which I think are interesting, but Bitcoin is leading, all right? And Bitcoin is going to be volatile, and therefore you should be careful. But I do think Mu is going to break out here in the next 15 minutes. And if you catch that pullback, I think we're going into the 7800s at the very least. So there's definitely potential there. And that's about it. There are other coins that are interesting as well, but these are very much the coins I think are most interesting. And then apart from that, usually on a day such as today, the Bitcoin dominance is also, pretty good. So if, like I said, keep an eye on Bitcoin, a breakout and then longing after 67,000 has broken could be a good idea as well. But like I said, we haven't broken that yet. There's a lot of volatility coming. Some altcoins look very good. Most altcoins are just following Bitcoin. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, all right? And be prepared for the volatility. Those are my thoughts, all right? So if you do have any questions, like I said, let me know down in the comments. If you're interested in getting trades like not earlier this morning, consider joining our premium or signal group. Very valuable in my opinion, not only about the signals, but also great education. So check that out. But for now, I think that's all you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.